Dafen Village in South China's Shenzhen is well known for its oil painting, with sales of 8,000 painters' works topping $618 million a year. The village's art industry started in 1989, when Hong Kong painter Huang Jiang created a replica assembly line and gradually gathered an army of painters. From imitation to creation, Dafen Village is transitioning from a low-end oil painting workshop cluster to an international art community.
这10年8年呢，香港本地的到艺术学院、美术学院学习的也比较多，进修的比较多，去的那边还是培养了不少的新生力量。
I heard that many artists here are creating new things and innovating and bringing new light. So I was very curious about coming to eventually see that and learn more about how this is happening.
大分以后的发展的这个形态来讲，我觉得大分应该会成为一个就是国际艺术家都非常愿意在这安居乐业，或者是愿意在这创作生活的一个国际艺术社区。